In this question, given data is saying that find the integrating factor of the non-exact differential equation, that is y times of 2x minus 3 dx plus 3 times of parenthesis of minus x square plus y square plus 3x dy, that is equal to 0. So this is the question that is given, and now I will give here answer. So in the answer, first step is write the, I am writing the given non-exact differential equation. So that is y times of parenthesis of inside will be, that is 2x minus 3, then dx plus 3 times of parenthesis of inside will be written as, that is minus x square plus y square plus 3x, then dy, that is equal to 0. Now I will say that this is a equation 1. Now next it is compare